General A. Javier with high honor.
Tabi ka dyan, kuya. Tumayo ka sa kanan.
To our school interim president, Ma'am Estelita V. Rodelas. To our executive vice president, Mr. Daryl Nel Jose V. Rodelas. To our coordinator, AB Department, Co-Curricular Activities Director, Sir Hilti Sigi. To our junior high school principal,